Apple is once again trying to convince people that thin is better. Last year's iPhone Air failed to impress because it looked premium but forced buyers to accept too many compromises. Weak battery life, a single rear camera, and a high price made it hard to recommend. Now new leaks claim the iPhone Air 2 will fix those mistakes. But looking closer, it feels like Apple is only correcting problems that should never have existed in the first place. According to recent supply chain reports, Apple is preparing to launch the iPhone Air 2 with the iPhone 18 lineup in early 2027. The company is reportedly keeping the same ultra-thin design because that's still its biggest selling point. Instead of bringing a bold redesign, Apple appears focused on repairing the flaws that receive the most criticism. The real question is, why customers have to wait another generation just to get features that should have been included from day one? Battery life was one of the biggest complaints about the original Air, and Apple may finally increase the battery to around 3,500 from 3,149 mAh. Yes, that's an improvement, but it still doesn't sound impressive compared to what many Android phones already offer. Apple continues to prioritize a thin body over a larger battery, leaving users hoping software tricks can make up for hardware limitations. The iPhone Air 2 is also expected to feature Apple's new A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process. Apple will likely market it as faster and more efficient, while iOS 27 is rumored to improve battery management by reducing unnecessary background activity. Those upgrades sound good, but they also raise an obvious question. If software and efficiency can improve battery life so much, why didn't Apple deliver that experience with the first Air instead of asking customers to settle? Another rumored upgrade is Apple's new in-house C2 5G modem. Reports claim it will deliver better connectivity while consuming less power. Once again, Apple seems ready to advertise efficiency instead of giving users a significantly larger battery. The company continues to chase slimness while expecting new chips and software to hide the compromises that come with such a thin design. Surprisingly, leaks suggest Apple has no intention of making the phone thicker. The iPhone Air 2 is expected to remain around 5.6 millimeters thick. That may look impressive in advertisements, but many buyers would probably accept an extra millimeter if it meant dramatically better battery life. Apple still appears more interested in breaking design records than listening to what customers actually want. The camera system is finally expected to improve, after heavy criticism. The original Air's single rear camera made very little sense for a phone with a premium price tag. Now Apple is reportedly adding a second camera with a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. While that's definitely better than before, it's difficult to call it an exciting upgrade when competitors have offered dual and triple camera systems for years. Apple is simply catching up after charging flagship prices for less hardware. The display is also rumored to receive overdue improvements. A 6.55-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate is expected to replace the previous experience. Smooth scrolling and better efficiency are welcome additions, but many users will wonder why such a premium display wasn't available on the first Air. Once again, Apple seems to be fixing problems instead of leading the market. When you put all these leaks together, the iPhone Air 2 certainly looks better than its predecessor. A larger battery, dual cameras, the A20 Pro chip, a new modem, and a 120 Hz display all sound like meaningful upgrades. But most of these changes feel less like innovation and more like overdue corrections. Apple created the first Air with obvious compromises, watched customers reject it, and is now trying to win them back by adding features that should have been there from the beginning. According to current leaks, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone Air 2 alongside the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e in March or April 2027. The starting price is expected to remain around $899. although Apple could still make changes before launch. For now, these details are based on leaks and rumors. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.